What's up, y'all? It's your boy CJ Grind Time back in the building again to give y'all some more value. I hope it's going down, you know what I'm saying? Today we're going to be talking about how I use live videos to drive free traffic to your CPA offers with fan pages. I'm super excited, y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited that I'm dropping more content. Once again, I'm going to tell y'all this. And the reason why I'm coming out and dropping content is because once again, I see in the game that people are just giving bull crap value. They're not sharing the knowledge and doing anything that you could take some serious action on and get some traction. So that's why I go ahead and I started making videos again to give you guys some value and some knowledge and some input for free. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to hit nobody over the head for no information or try to charge you some outrageous price for a course, anything like that. So let's get down to this. So you're gonna need a couple things, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you my version of how I do this and how I pull this off. And so what we're gonna do is we all know that we've had this big pandemic with the COVID-19 virus. So people are still at home, even though some economies in the world opening back up slowly. People are still at home. People are still bored. People still spend a lot of time on Facebook. So what we're going to do is we're pretty much just going to go on YouTube and find like different little movies or shows. And we're just going to take that, jack that little video, and we're going to upload it to this landing page right here, and we're gonna stream it like it's a live feed. Now what this is gonna do is this is gonna make it seem like it's a live interaction video where people can watch with other people and show you another little technique to where you drive more traffic. Now what this is gonna do is this is gonna cause people to like your page and follow your page because they're watching your video. So I'm gonna run you by this. Sit back, enjoy yourself, get you some popcorn or whatever. This is going to be a pretty long video, but before we get started, please, if you haven't already subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, hit that like button, and drop a comment if you got any questions after I get done with this video. All right, so I'm going to go to my YouTube, and we're gonna find like a show or something like the PJs full episodes. This is an old cartoon show that I used to watch back in the day. I'm just using for an example. I'll come here, and I'm gonna get the link. Let's get the link, y'all. Forgive me if my laptop runs a little slow. I'm recording, so it typically does that. I don't know why. I need to get a desktop or something, but you know, bear with me. Bear with me. Download YouTube video. Come here. We gonna rip this thing on up and save it. Gonna come to this site right here. Let it produce my video. There it goes. And we'll download 780. All right, once you're done with that, you're going to use a software called OBS Studios. This is a free download you can get from YouTube. Just look it up. But OBS Studios. And what you're going to do is you're going to come here, come to your Facebook group, and you're going to start stream. Once you start your stream, it should connect to your Facebook Live account. Okay. Now once we've got our screen recorded, I want to go ahead and grab this, come over here, and push that. And what we're going to do is we're going to come to our downloads. What you're going to do is you're going to play the video in the background on your laptop. And go live. And it's going to go live. We'll turn that off for video purposes. We'll exit out of full screen. But it's live, so it should show everything that we're doing right now, right? I'm just going to use this for examples. So if I come to the freebies fan page, I should be live. Sorry, there's a lot of things going on right now, so my computer's moving really, really slow. As you see, I'm live streaming right now. It's showing that I'm live. Just using this for an example. Pretty much for an example of what's going on and what I'm doing. And so the trick is to this is to see somebody's live watching it right now. See somebody commented. It's getting engagement, but I can't really play the video and explain to y'all what's going on at the same time while recording a live video. So I'm just giving y'all a brief demonstration of what's going on. So we're going to share this. And what that watch party is going to do is create a live event for people to join. And that's one of the free methods. I'll go into deeper details on the second video. I'm getting a lot of lag, but as you see, I've been growing this, doing this with free videos and posts. And as you see, I'm getting plenty of engagement for my videos and clicks. So this your boy CJ. I'll drop part 2 of this, maybe explaining it a little bit better, acting up right now, but this is just another free concept way of you getting some free traffic and building some longevity traffic to your CPA offers. I'm out, guys.